Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here, going to show you how to fix refrigerator running but not cooling. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you may want to check here in order for to see what's the problem or what's causing this issue here. So the first thing that you may want to check here is you may want to check the evaporator fan. Now the evaporator fan here circulates cold air throughout the fridge here. So if it's malfunctioning, your fridge won't cool. Now, you may want to listen for unusual humming or buzzing sounds here coming from the back of the fridge. Now, if the fan isn't working, it may need to be replaced. Next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clean the condenser coil here. Now, the condenser coil is responsible for releasing heat from the refrigerator. Now, if it's covered in dust or debris, it won't function properly. Now, what you need to do in order for you to fix this is you want to unplug your refrigerator and clean the condenser coil using a soft brush or a vacuum cleaner. Now, you may want to also check the sealed system for any issues. So if the issue isn't with the coil fan or in this case your thermostat here, there could be a problem with the sealed system, which includes like the compressor, evaporator, and condenser. Now, unfortunately, the sealed system here requires a professional, so as they involve handling refrigerants. Next is you want to test your thermostat here. So the thermostat controls the fridge temperature. Now if it's faulty, it won't signal the compressor to cool the fridge. Now you want to turn the thermostat to the lowest setting and listen for a click. If there's no click, the thermostat might need to be replaced. Now if you're wondering what's the thermostat, so usually the thermostat is going to be inside on your fridge, but for newer models, you should be able to access the thermostat outside of your fridge. And in this case, if you don't know exactly what to change or what to exactly check here, it's best to call for a professional, because in this case, if you do try doing this yourself, you may even break your fridge here, which in this case something we don't want to do. So in this case, it's best to reach out to a professional or reach out to the manufacturer or the brand customer service or customer support for your fridge here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.